Nasa langit na ba ako?
This is us after regular lang.
Kayo po ba si San Pedro?
Kinakabahan ka na umorder?
Okay lang sa akin kung ako din na.
Hi guys! Say hi. We're now here in Eastwood, guys.
Our team is black and white.
Yeah. So, later on, mag-fit check kami. Guys, we're on our way to our first stop. Nakikita siya.
Nagsisimula na po sila.
Pa-landscape sa akin na siya.
Sabi mo nagsisimula na sila.
Nandito na po kami sa first stop namin. At ito yung behind the scene ng mga aesthetic namin posts.
Yeah.
Guys, we're done with our second spot.
Finding a place to stay kasi umuulan siya.
Yeah.
Today, naghanap kami ng makakainan since it's raining na. Honestly guys, pinapaunang kami ng tita namin ng
Imbuti.
ito ng
Parang
ng
putlog.
Hungarian na
Ay, Hungarian.
hotdog and then carbonara. So, when we were going to eat,
Yeah.
we less half of gastos. And ngayon, ang pinipilian na lang naman namin, lagi-lagi naman namin pinagpipilian yun, yung Makto.
So, we're now in
37.
2:37 na guys. Kakain muna kami guys. Tsaka uulan man. Umulan na muna habang nandito pa kami. Pero uulan po ka tapos na kami kumain. Sila guys. Oh, papakita ko lang kayo. Ano sasabihin nyo?
We ordered McFlurry. I paired with Ate Vina.
Yeah. There's no straw. At siya guys, nag-order talaga siya ng marami.
I think we need to go. It's already, madami tayong gagawin.
Ang hirap.
Alam ko yun, whale eyes.
Whale eyes? Patungkol saan yan?
Sa mata ng whale.
Uy! I will read that.
Charot lang.
Ito ba? Naniwala ako.
Bakit ano sabi ni Sai?
Patungkol daw sa mata ng whale. Whale eyes.
Tama nga naman.
Naniwala naman ako. Joke lang naman pala.
Sarado mo.
Prince pop up ko.
That's also my favorite.
House!
Napakat ko na yan, Jay.
Sa Sophia.
Pop up na siya.
Once upon a time, and in my house.
Si Sophia, naging matanda siya, sinumpa siya. Tapos nagugustuhan pa rin siya ng lalaki. Ay, nakasarado.
Ano, sinumpa siya, tapos
Ginawa siyang matanda. Tapos si House, nagawa siya ng bahay para makasama niya si Sophia. Ako talaga dito. Hiblit
So the little prince started his ropes.
She was such an
Ito yung
easy
pang
boy.
bedtime story sa mga bata.
She would cook my breakfast. If you place in her hand to sprinkle with a glass glow with
Wow. Guys, it's nice to see. Natatapos ko to, tapos may libro pala siya. Ang cute ng ng movie, house movie. This one, maganda yan.
Almost 5, quarter to 5.
We're planning to go to Arcovia now. But they're still in-game sa pagpipicture.
Guys, grabe yung nagagawa nun dyan. Talagang hindi na po yung hair ko, guys.
If ever I was given
be ever doubted. Girl, let's face it.
Uy, bawal yan. Dapat bawal magpalitan.
Kaya hindi lahat dapat binablog.
Binablog kasi may daya.
This is us after Eastwood. We're so proud.
Dito na kami, guys.
Texas na kami.
Guys, winock namin yung mga dark areas talaga para lang di kami makapag-drive. Look at our feet.
Look at us. Red. Alive and kicking. We're here.
Hulas ang mga babae. So ngayon guys, nandito na kami sa Arcovia. Nakahanap na rin kami ng buwan.
Kailangan namin ipahinga ang aking mga paagay.
Santay pa namin sila guys. So, nagugutom na kami pero mamaya pa kami kakain kasi magre-regaluan pa kami.
Mukha din mag-early out na siya.
Diba? May nagre-request na mag-early out sa atin. Kasi hindi nakakapagod talaga. Sila mo hulas na hulas kami dahil nung nilakad na. Ate ko tumating na. Guys, 1 hour, almost 1 hour kami.
2 hours, almost 2.
Almost 2 hours. So, anyway,
Ano nga yun yung?
It's 6 p.m. but it's already 8 p.m. na. Mag-say hi ko.
Say hi ka sa vlog.
Hi guys! Hi guys! Ikaw mo muna mag-vlog. Wala. Ulitin mo.
Hi guys, so we're already here sa How was it? Rate mo, rate.
8 over.
The Milky Bicho? How about you?
I think this is that. Tinapay.
How about the Milky Bicho? 8. 8. What is that? Sweet Bicho yun eh. How about you?
5 over 10.
How was it?
7.
First half video.
Kasay? Kinakabahan ka na umorder? Yes. It's your task. It's your task for today.
Ingat po. Ingat po kayo.
Guys, nandun si Irish sa pinakamalayo. Nasa pilahan siya ng fried siopaw. I ordered 2 pieces of fried siopaw. Ang next na mag-order si Syra. Ang orderan mo lang naman, fruit, dragon fruit.
Pangarap lang kita.
Yung regular lang. Order na si Syra. Guys, we're now here in the Chinatown Arc.
Huwag ka lumapit.
And we're just waiting for them to finish their picture taking. So I'm just gonna rate this one. This is actually a walking sugarcane juice. And we got this for like 100 pesos. But the taste is like 5 out of 10. I'd rate it at 5 out of 10. How about you?
Me, I rate it 7 over 10.
8. 8? Ikaw?
Masarap siya, pero pag di mo ituloy-tuloy.
I don't know if it's just me na hindi ako fan ng sugarcane, but I really like it.
I like it because ako, namahanga ako sa paggawa. Fresh pa talaga. Ginagano daw siya. Nabidyan mo ba?
Yes! So now let's continue finding some foods and a place to stay so we can eat our fried chicken. Guys, let's taste first. While waiting for them, let's taste first the fried chicken.
Let's share.
Sige, ikaw first. What is it?
The seller says it's like a Shanghai. Steak.
Ah, really?
I will rate this 10 over 10. For me, ah. Yeah. Same flavor yan.
Yeah. Is it same flavor? I think so.
Ganon.
Parang gusto kong bilhin si Mama. Ayun na yan.
Siopaw never fails me.
Ito malaman talaga. Right?
You like this?
Hindi kami like it.
Yummy! Yummy!
Then so it's a 10 out of 10.
More than 10.
Yun! Now we're off to our last destination here in Denona, which is the Xiaolongbao chocolate. Guys, there's a queue. Pero minsan talaga hindi ko... Sorry. Right. Okay, vlog. Vlog! Ha? Vlog.
Anong vlog?
Where are we going?
Kanina nasa,
Ano na kami? Quiapo, Binondo. Ngayon nandito na kami sa... Ano to?
I don't know.
Sa post office. Hi guys! Hi guys! We're now in queue because we wanna try the photo booth something there.